Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical outdoor stove, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from outdoor stoves, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor stove dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Camp Chef X60LW Explorer 2-Burner Outdoor Cooking Stove. Introducing the Camp Chef X60LW Explorer 2-Burner Outdoor Cooking Stove, your ultimate camping companion. With two powerful 30,000 BTU burners, it effortlessly boils water and cooks meals, from breakfast staples to gourmet dinners. Its portable design features detachable legs and a 3-sided windscreen, simplifying outdoor setup and cooking. Part of Camp Chef's renowned 14 cooking systems, the Explorer offers versatility and compatibility with various accessories like the professional grill box and Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. Perfect for emergency preparedness, it provides up to 15 hours of cooking time on a single 20 lb propane tank. This rugged stove stands 29 tall, delivering a total output of 60,000 BTUs, while its durable build ensures longevity. With fully adjustable heat control dials, it offers precise cooking control. Equipped with a regulator and 3 hose, it's ready to use out of the box. Whether you're tailgating or camping, Camp Chef ensures you never compromise on taste or convenience. Join the Camp Chef community and elevate your outdoor cooking experience today. Number 2. Goplus Outdoor Camping Stove, Dual Burner Propane Gas Cooker. Introducing the Goplus Outdoor Camping Stove, a powerhouse for your outdoor culinary adventures. With dual burners capable of producing a remarkable 75,000 BTU each, it offers unparalleled cooking power. Adjust flames independently for versatile cooking options, whether you're simmering or searing. Its detachable legs provide flexibility, allowing it to function as a countertop stove and facilitating easy transportation and storage. Crafted from sturdy cast iron and enhanced with a high-temperature powder spraying coating, this stove boasts durability, waterproofing, and rust resistance. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions, and a CSA-certified regulator ensures safe operation. Propane tank not included. Perfect for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, this gas cooker is an excellent choice for camping, tailgating, catering, hunting, and more. Embrace the freedom of outdoor cooking without worrying about lingering odors indoors. Join countless satisfied customers and elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Goplus Camping Stove. Number 3. VIVOHOME Double Burner Outdoor Cooking Stove. Introducing the VIVOHOME Double Burner Outdoor Cooking Stove, your ultimate companion for outdoor culinary adventures. With two powerful burners delivering a maximum output of 150,000 BTU, this stove is designed for high-performance cooking. Each burner operates independently, allowing precise flame control for optimal cooking results. Whether you're frying, boiling, or simmering, this stove ensures you're cooking at the right rate. Its versatile design features detachable legs and a 3-sided windscreen, making it compact, portable, and easy to transport. Additionally, the back can be removed for added space, offering flexibility in various outdoor settings. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and a cast iron top, this outdoor stove is built to withstand high temperatures and resist rusting for long-lasting durability. Perfect for camping, outdoor parties, and more, the VIVOHOME Double Burner Stove is your go-to solution for outdoor cooking. Number 4. Camplux Outdoor Stove Double Burners Propane Stove. Introducing the Camplux Outdoor Stove Double Burners Propane Stove, your trusted companion for outdoor cooking adventures. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron with weatherproof and high-temperature resistant coating, this stove ensures durability and reliability for years to come. Equipped with two powerful burners boasting a maximum output of 260,000 BTU, each burner delivers 130,000 BTUs, providing rapid and efficient cooking. Adjust the flame easily with the knob or control the propane flow for optimal heat output. Installation is a breeze with the included 5 hose and CSA-certified regulator, requiring only a gas tank above 5 lb for immediate use. Enjoy faster cooking times, allowing more quality time with loved ones at gatherings. This multifunctional outdoor propane burner features detachable legs and foldable wind deflectors for easy portability, making it perfect for various outdoor activities. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty and 247 customer support, your satisfaction and safety are our top priorities. Number 5. ROVSUN 2-Burner Outdoor Camping Stove. Introducing the ROVSUN 2-Burner Outdoor Camping Stove, your ultimate cooking companion for outdoor adventures. With durable construction and powerful 150,000 BTU burners, this stove is perfect for outdoor parties, camping, fishing, and more. Adjust the flame effortlessly with the 20 psi regulator, allowing precise temperature control for perfect cooking results. Its sturdy cast iron construction can handle heavy-duty tasks, making it ideal for grilling, frying, boiling, and more. Designed for portability, this stove features detachable legs and a 3-sided windscreen, making it easy to transport and set up wherever your outdoor adventures take you. Plus, it comes with a convenient carrying bag for storage and travel. Backed by a 1-year warranty, we are committed to ensuring 100% customer satisfaction. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the ROVSUN 2-Burner Outdoor Camping Stove and enjoy delicious meals with family and friends wherever you go. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.